Okay, we dressed up and we're going for mini animation. Let's go. At the lobby or I don't know, we'll see. Good morning, mommy. Sophie, mommy. Good morning, Sophie. Mommy, I love you, mama. Did you sleep well, Sophie? Oh, Sophie, mommy, love you. Mommy's on vacation.
And we are here for breakfast. Sophie's having yogurt. And mommy's gonna have breakfast maybe later. Or
Later.
right now.
Oh, most beautiful mommy
Thank you.
in
Daddy.
whole universe. Come on.
Always.
So right now we are in the in-house pool. It's 28 degrees in here. Mommy's here. Sophie's here. That is in the swimming pool. We're not gonna go in the water, but we're gonna change our outfits. So mommy's here. Sophie. Hi, mommy. Okay, so that's the view. Mommy, Sophie.
Ama bu manzara daha güzel. Mutlu bir kız. Çünkü kaydıraklar tarafına, oyun alanı tarafına görünce ya bu yaşta anlayan bir kız değil mi? Ne? Anne mi? Hani baba? Hı. Değil mi? Hakaret ya. Ha, bu da değil, bu da. Koş. Koş. Geliyorum. Geliyorum. Bunu ilerideki şeye bak, ağaca. Neydi onun adı? Meksika. Bak bak dikenli olan var ya. Aloe vera gibi çıkıyor içinden. Çok güzel görüntü ya.
Started in Antalya, guys. To the beach for your walk. So for us to go to the beach, we're gonna use the elevators here. We're gonna go down. Mommy is here. There are also three elevators here. There's no problem to do with the elevators here, so it's coming. We're gonna go in there. You see? It's here already. Okay, we're gonna go to -1. This is Mommy. This is Sophie. Are you excited, Mama? Are you excited to go for your walk? Daddy's waiting for us. Sophie, we are going to the beach for your walk. We're going for your walk, Mommy. But we don't remove that, Mama. No, Mommy. Hey, let's go.
Heyecanlandı. Böyle. Böyle. Bugün Mart değil mi? Su çok soğuk. Ve baba girecek mi? Saat kaç? Saat 6'ya geliyor. Babacık mı yapacak?
We just had a pretty short walk that was so lovely by the beach. Sophie was sleeping by then, but now she's at work. And she was so excited to see the waters and the waves. Right, Mama? Yay! So now we're gonna go back to our room. Right, Mama? Get dressed up and we're gonna go for dinner. Yay! So he's excited. Someone is excited to play on the sand, but this is not the time. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Yay! Yes, Mommy. Oh. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, we're going back to the room. This is the hotel premises. I love this. I love this. How cool is this?
Oradaki daha büyük.
Yok, hayır. O da daha modern. Evet. Buradaki vintage.
My God. Kenardan deniz de güzelmiş ya. Hiç yabancı bu kız.